Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. Actually, I'm going to teach Laravel CRUD operation with Postman. First, we have to install a Laravel application, and today I'm going with Laravel 8. Actually, there is several options to install a Laravel application, but I'm going to choose install with Composer. At first, we have to install Laravel Compose. You install Composer application, and during installing Composer, we'll choose the PHP version. Actually, with which PHP version we will going to work, we'll choose that, and I am going to work with XAMPP application. Actually, nowadays XAMPP are going to work with PHP 8.1, but we can also use the old version. Actually, I am using the 7.4 with PHP 7.4 version. This version I am going to use. Now go to the specific folder. Actually, we now go to the specific folder. Actually, the XAMPP htdocs, and going to create a new folder name with Laravel CRUD. Here we type cmd. Here we test cmd to run the command line, and copy the command. Actually, I'm going to copy the command without the name example app. Uh, Copy and paste it on command and press enter to install. Actually, the package Symfony Swift mailer is abandoned. You should avoid using it. Actually, this installation suggests to use Symfony Mailer. Actually, it's using in Laravel 9 version, but in Laravel 8, they have used the Swift Mailer. From Laravel 9, they are using Symfony Mailer. That's why they are showing this message. Actually, it's not being a problem. After complete the installation, we'll go to the Laravel folder and run the serve command to check that Laravel is working or not. Here is localhost 8000. This is the default Laravel port to launch Laravel web application. That's for today. Thank you.